Fe yanko yankase adwuma ye na se media central adwuma no emu na mpanifo ye hwehwemu de nsema betu dwa behyese se de covid-19 epem Ghana ne ama hodo so no Africa na ne ama hodo bi ya ekoso wo omanmu ni wiase afa na nyina no ka ho bi ma oban central adwuma no mu a nipa gumu pa na nso sikasema ye bibia ewo Adom Kasee de hwehwemu no achi
enhwehwemu yi eda ne de se nsɛmtrɔfoɔ dodoɔ na sikasɛm enyina yie wɔn mu kyerɛ mu a sɛdeɛ nnwuma ahodoɔ bebree ɛfa ahokyerɛ mu ɛwɔ sikasɛm mu no saa na nsɛmtrɔ dwumakuo ahodoɔ nso esan ɔman sikasɛm a enyina brane fa ahobo a ɛkɔ soro enyina mahoɔden ɛne nsuo bu a ɛkɔ soro ɛne nneɛma afoforo bi nti no wɔn nso ɛwɔ ahokyerɛ mu nanso ne nyinaa mu no saa report yi ɛkyerɛ akwan ahodoɔ a nsɛmtrɔfoɔ betumi afa so ama wɔnom sikasɛm etumi agyina yie ebi ne sɛ wɔnom betumi atena fie ayɛ adwuma sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a sika nko wɔde bɛfa hyɛn ɛso bɛtie afei nso asanso atu de obodwumakuo ahodoɔ nyinaa fo sɛ wɔnom mpa akwan ahodoɔ a wɔnom bɛfa so ɛnyɛ sika sɛdeɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wɔnom ɛntena sentwɛn mamanfo ɛmɛyɛ advert ansana wɔtumi ɛnyɛ sika wɔnom ɛsan so fa saa report no so etu National Communication Authority no for say broadcast licenses a wɔde ama de obodwumakuo bebree no animanimu ya no wɔmfa wɔn nsa ntu bi so na wɔnyɛ nsesanye ɛwɔ broadcasting space ni mu sɛ de bɛyɛ a de obodwumakuo dodoɔ na aba begu ɔman mu no ɛso bɛte na afei kakra na wɔyɛ adwumaden no obenya sika ɛde ahwɛ wɔnom nsɛmtrɔfoɔ ta State of Ghanaian report yi ɛyɛ nhwehwɛmu bi a Department of Communication ya ɛwɔ University of Ghana ɛne Media Foundation for West Africa ɛna wɔnom ɛyɛyɛ na no wukwada abra Communication Department no edi wɔnom mfie aduonum afinhyiana ɛna wɔnom ɛda sa report yi ɛdie
Abusia sanse minti yenkwa ahomasone ne opanyina wadi ntintima asuade atu bambo ho efo Adib Sani enhwehwe ho enkomo Adib ma hey for ye yensamu no na nganka ye kwakodi ho nkomo na ebre na so ye kwane ne opanyi Jonathan Asante editire nkomo na ukọ UCC a wotrade ewo ho na ye musesa nya bia nsentwe adwuma no nse de yakoi ebekoye ni panyina Asante ma hey na ehwehwemu aba beto dwa kyerɛ sɛ nsentwe adwuma ne de nika ewo mu ane sɛ ma hu na nipa na wanya connections na saka tuya ne sika de bi nhyɛ da nim na yɛyɛ the fourth arm of government na mpanimfo adi ani mu hwentu adwumayɛfo ka yie no yɛnhwɛ ba ne saa yɛbetimi put people in power no in check yie
no ase maminchi Adom atamatie fo nyina wie sanya obisa no no kɔ ni akomode no ɛyɛdan na otimi echake iguma onipa koro na owo sika no nwoye enye possible edi kan no ebema modwuma no ayedene ana wo hwe Ghana am say report no akire say dudu na ekuta control FM stations and as a media houses no political we chire and you know according to say the focus is not entirely to check and nyama bia nyama boni ekoso ewo ye man na ya treating no nyama information na kwase ho na ya hwe say corruption hu konba ye betu so ate say na ye sure say bibisa na enkoso no esan say nipa na wo di sadwuma na komde no na woni means of betimi e di sadwuma no obviously no your work could be affected mo salary enye say it's assemblies na kokoko bampa media house crampo na bia na munya sika mfa ma say for pre-finance na kokko ebisa with just a few handful of the media houses na bia ebetimi aka say top members of these media houses no and they are well paid. Even it has even come out to say Adom amowe crampo na Adom kwa ye well established no mankasa mo bre including Joy. The information that I got from Joy is terrible. So I'm here. I'm as a fourth realm of the state, you know. Mean this argument. I'm waga na my man and koso. As I say, you will be say payola or say solid. Solid no can say, well, according to gentleman kumba policy. So you do not report things that will not ignore to the disadvantage of the government, and I say, to me, our maimu. And you know, it is very difficult and worrying. I will see a team share say politicians, someone set it up winner. We should be professional. And it's a year tilted towards the orientation of that particular person and that's a personality now. Or chase argument. And now we hear and yet. And you know, if you say, Sankamu for me some kind of union. Nanka, acquired to say, Manka Samu War Mosikanka, Kakamu Digis Kakaka. Now, the year would be account. Acquired to say, Obimuka, now he is supported in terms of welfare. Then I think that then the fourth estate of the realm will be much, much stronger. And I'm very much aware, say, union, strong union. You will get some backing from European Union and other, international agencies like the UNDP in Hong Kong. Make sure say what self-reliant, and then the Soleil and the Hong Kong so
Obanya Sante, personally, me Adom TV station be odun for a year. 1 year ni nyina me take home was just 50 Ghana cedis. 50 cedi per and me for 1 year. And so ukofie kwa abusua mu akwadna mfofuo mu a in fact omo nyina looking up to us. Omo so why esepe fefefe ofro na so woni ska na so wutirim na eye den. Na wo se yempe foto obi ne mfa sika ye nso ye na ye kwafa bi wen de akoto ba bi.
In America, one will say, in union there is strength. My friend, you don't call. I am cool. When I'm free, Papa, when you're free, you call a thing. Papa, that will fool. The point is that I was say your team started from somewhere, and for the popularity and the fun and the privilege of talking on air, no, and no, I'm man for a dijuma on behalf of the radio station. But in actual fact, my condition is very precarious. It's very, very bad. Because sometimes even more media houses say, something like that. And the question a sense of integrity. On person be free a politician who are Chinanku, the Baba Dane as some idiot. Once I could be free, like in Japan, one son of was a dear chan. That's all criticism or the better. So we are all careful, and the media houses now are very careful. My condition are very precarious. I felt to say, Sankasa Union bar, maybe government, the state itself, so Union the state itself can make a contribution annually into that particular photo and it does not have to be the government of the day, but the state itself. I'm a journalist and a dijuma a fatanadi abua on my munina. The son say you don't expect the person to die. Definitely, naturally, obi and make something available. Or find information about Ghana, my non per year the same most as the way of budget.
And one can
make sure say about the media houses, the Juma Mudiano, a real payo. And one can make near the no component and say no, a coffin, a sunset, a human do one egg. And I'm also surviving component. They are struggling to make ends meet on between your media houses for the advertisement that you are running for them. And all these things have created problems for the media, those in the media space.
Oh my yeah, fight ticket as a pro ye dream DNA can for one special prosecutor. Na me centrani my nhwehwemu na me hu say asoma si anaso benten wa bo man ne ka na duru se ni pa nim na sansa makatria ye fia binti o se ma me ma $1 million story no kele no anya bia se koba ne sei a ungini se be market ise na ye kono enko ba bia
no enko ba bia na $1 million no hu bi da no want to and obia no obetimi say Obako blaming such a person. It will just take a handful of people. Nobody said no. In the interest of the state and looking at the future, I'll blow up the story. Maybe out of that, you can think of Anas. I don't know whether Anas has turned or has gone based upon what the court and others are saying about him. I don't know whether it is true. But what Timu said, Ejuma sa ablante na ye dia boa Ghana man no A man have an international figure, and he has received awards. We are very sure, say, such a thing is not easy to do, but you need men of integrity who find themselves in the media space to be able to do that. Other than that, 90% can easily fall victim to these political interferences and corruption issues.
Yeah, Centrofo, Premtobre Kasee, ya pania, ya pam Premtobre to, and so yankasa no, yet what he wouldn't you say, you may rough for being when they take advantage. San say a combo system, the moment for the drone and your Jumanyentia.
And correct. Until I say people see it as a privilege, say, what radio so are comforting, but I come in they are not helping these people. They are not. I have been to so many FM stations throughout the country. Nipe or a big politician in our country, they do a normal opposition. In opposition, which means that they are not aired. But Akutiano and Shadanya bad. But apart from that, the general welfare, more and journalists me. But what you say, a debtor contract, Papa B, and Nipa, media space, no, only a junior and a signing here. Apart from the top-notch guys in the country, Evans Mensa, Momohoya Noche, more friend and say, Ben Avle, maybe Kwame Sefaka, these are the top guys in the media space, for example. And Untino Mono, Omaketiana, Sunko. And I didn't saw you put you from some like Ebia Star or more put Francis Aban and Unkon. But those in those media way, apart from more groups near the end put you they are paying them at a different rate, Most of media space in China. We have 4 or 5 months, but according to say, Nyaman Kitty, and no, to even go and cover story with a particular way, or Miss cannot be media cover story. So unless you belong to the top notch, there's no way you'll be able to finance these things, and we cannot not be able to perform that.
Yeah, that's it. Pass your bow primary, would so necessary. Need us one and so pre. Now, what drew through Hodomanzana, the Sefata on the one sa. I can in a central Jimmy, any work at Yamfi and Fia, whom you should move better Janiako, or Penny Jonathan Asante, Ocheho, and what Tradia, our University of Cape Coast, 150 Mantem when I study a mutis in Mutreno.